This is dry room. This is sample collection bottle. This is cyclone separator. This is clamp connection. This is waste collection bottle. This is backup ring. There are 3 exit pipe on this. The innermost exit pipe is placed at the bottom. The middle exit pipe should be placed in the middle. The outermost exit pipe is placed at the top. Installation must be heard when the click, so that it is not easy to air leakage. The white tube is the feed tube. The feed tube is inserted here. This way all nozzles are installed. Next is the installation of the fogging system. First install the dryer room. The corresponding backup ring is placed on top of the dryer room and fixed with the largest clamp connection. Next, install cyclone separator. Backup ring should be placed at the clamp connection interface. Installation of the sample collection bottle. Installation of the waste collection bottle. Finally, put the exhaust pipe.